The model of this week is a 1961 Dodge Polara. This pre-owned model I got still has some decals on it, and I left them on there because it kind of shows what we used to do as younger people, put decals on our cars. Anyway, this is in really good shape. Here's the side profile. You see decals there on the door, quarter panel. The reason I got this particular model, I really liked the 61 Dodge, and that swooping fin shown here is a real nice styling cue. Here's the trunk lid with some more decals. And this model has perfect glass, no warping. There's the rear end treatment. And here's the passenger side profile. More decals. The interior. And the glass is perfect also. No warping again. And here's the front clip. Real nice design on the 61 Dodge. The underside. So I assume that this is a kit that was put together. I don't know who the manufacturer was, but it's a clean and good model. No friction motor, but it rolls smoothly. And here's the top. A real good design that shows a lot of character. Shows what us kids used to do with our models kits that we put together. Putting decals that were enclosed in the kit box. And so this became the model of the week, a 1961 Dodge Polara two-door hardtop. Thanks for viewing.